Bird on the street.
I think the new mask mandate is a good thing because it's going to really slow the spread of the new Delta variant of COVID and keep us all safe.
I think it's the right call to make. With the new variants out, I think it's definitely the responsible decision to make. I feel like if we're going to have face-to-face classes, then, and also with everything indoors, if there is a tight proximity and a good amount of people, I think it's the safe thing to do, so I agree with it.
The mask mandate that's statewide, I think that for me, it doesn't affect me differently right now because McLean County has a mask mandate and we all live in McLean County at the moment for school, so it doesn't make a difference right now, but I think it's necessary because the cases are going up.
Coming from a place where there's a high risk often, I come from Chicago, so we already had a lot of mask restrictions and rules, especially downtown. So it doesn't affect me as much, but I will say it is kind of annoying, and it is something that obviously a lot of people are gonna have some pushback on, but I care more about us being safe together so I can continue to go to class and things like that. I refuse to go back to online school. I just can't do that anymore.
I feel that it is not completely mandatory and for it to be enforced on the inside of buildings.
I don't think it's necessary. There's a vaccination for a reason. I don't think that it's really necessary. Most people are already vaccinated. There's no point of wearing the mask if you're already vaccinated. You're risk-free from COVID.
Bird on the street.